What's going on? I don't know. Some people told me it's not a good idea to make videos back to back. I still do it because maybe I'm not so smart, but I do what I want. Probably need to listen to people though. Well, I need to finish this Colt 45. That's the reason I'm making this video. You know, you click on the title so you know what the fuck I'm gonna talk about while I'm finishing my shit. Real quick. You know, Todd made a lot of videos. What if I would be a president? You know what I would do if I was be a president? I'm fucking make everybody work their asses off. It's number one. If you're between ages 25 and 67, you must work. And you're gonna be given 365 days a year to find a job. If you cannot do it, you shall die. That's it. That's how I would roll. We need to get rid of unemployment. That's number one. If you cannot find a job within a year, you should either be deported out of the United States or you should get killed. And that should be legal too. Because we don't need no fucking parasites walking around. Because we need the Great America. Great America without parasites, subhumans, sponges, and all the motherfuckers who just wanna sit on welfare and don't do shit. We don't need people like that here. If you want Great America, we need to either send these people out or kill them, and that's it. That's the only two ways I can think of. And they need to buy their own tickets too. Because guess what? Government shouldn't spend money on fucking parasites. It's number one. Number two, people going to food shelters, people over there should screen them. There should be policemen there with a gun in the fucking food shelter, and there should be computer there running the background check on everybody who comes there. And if you have ID, right? If you don't have ID, you should get the fuck out of there. You should prove that your income doesn't exceed this amount. And if it does exceed this amount, you should get the fuck out of the food shelter. Or else the policemen have a legal right to shoot your ass. That's how it should be. So that way we're not gonna give no free food to fucking parasites who wanna abuse the system. Okay? Now, boring. Boring should be outlawed. People should be able to support myself by their own means. If they cannot do it, too bad. It means they're responsible. They should learn. I would legalize marijuana. I legalize prostitution. So if the man cannot get pussy, he can get it if he pays for it, as long as he has money. That way, you're gonna have less men with low self-esteem in this country. Because sex will be accessible, so everyone who has it will get it. As long as he has enough money to afford it. Oh shit. Peace out. That was my If I Want to Be President video. Stay tuned for my next awesome videos later.